How to use beauty filter in WhatsApp video call. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how, you may follow this step. Open up WhatsApp and then head over to the chat with the person that you would like to video call. After that, tap on the video call tab at the top right beside the call. Go ahead and tap on it, and once the call starts, you should be finding this. So go ahead and tap on the bottom tab, your own video call, your screen. After tapping on it, you will be finding this effect icon, this one right here. Go ahead and tap on it. After doing so, you will be finding different effects, filters, backgrounds that you can apply up in your video call. So you can use those options in order to add filters, even different kind of filters, effects. After that, in order to turn on the beauty mode on, at the top you should be finding a smiley icon. Go ahead and tap on it, and once you do, a touch-up mode will be on, which will make your skin look brighter on the video call. So that is it for now. You may follow this method in order to turn on beauty filter on WhatsApp. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.